This is on Tilt Trading. Let's review my active trades right now. So first up we have Solana. For reference, this is the 1 minute time frame, this chart. This is the 15-minute time frame for this chart below. This main dark areas and candlesticks. This area is a volume profile, and this area is a relative strength index. So with Solana, I took an entry here. This purple line here and here, or these purple lines coincide with these lines here down on the 15-minute. These are Camarilla pivots. So I was looking for actually the traverse that I'm looking for is, let's go down to the 15-minute for perspective here. This is S3, S4, R3, R4. So resistance 4, resistance 3, support 4. This trade is a S4 to R3 traverse. So you can see with my entry right here at or not too far above S4. We'll zoom in for a closer look. So we can see here we're just under, or we're right here at S4. When I see this, so we have here the currency pair is oversold, so this is my signal to buy when we're oversold, and it happens in this candle here. I was late getting my eyes on this particular currency pair. I wasn't actively watching it, but after scanning, after some market movement, after the crypto market opened, I found that this was in a target area, or at least a trade area, based on my trading system. So here at S4, or preferably this halfway mark somewhere in here, in between S3 and S4, is where it's best to take the trade. I was able to get risk to reward, so I went on and took the trade and didn't wait for pullback or anything. We can see that we bought up to and through S3, did some consolidating here, likely some accumulation before we were able to move the price up another level here. And you can see the high volume profile here at the open. This is the open of the crypto market, the first hour. So here, this 1800, this is the open of the crypto market. You can see that things are pretty sleepy in this area, and then things pick up, and I take my trade right here. Next up, we have Cardano. My internet's slow today, so maybe we'll be able to get through a little more of this. If this is slow, we'll move on. Okay. This isn't. Oh, all right. And it's the wrong pair. Let's try that again. All right. Okay. So here we have Cardano. We can see similar situation here. We have the open. We have the open, high volume profile. S4, S3, R3, and going for an S4 to an R3 traverse on this trade. Same as the last trade, these two seem to be moving somewhat in sync with each other, and you can get a feel for the play in general right here. So I would have taken the trade down here, and this is the target right here. Next up, Avalanche. Okay, similar situation here. Showing you down there on a 15-minute chart. Back up, you can see here. High volume profile. Trade, you want to take it somewhere in this mid-range right here. This is my entry. Lots of consolidation here. We're able to move the price, buy into S3 here. This is S4. We're able to buy into, consolidate here for some candles, sell off, back to this, test this, my entry level here, consolidate some more. Now we've been able to move the price, buy it above S3 right now, and we'll see how it goes. Next up is Near Protocol. Seems like Near Protocol is back at my entry. This is actually a good place to buy here, potentially. I may stop out here, or I may add to the position. We'll see what it does. So right now I'm setting up an order. It's just around $25, 24 and change here. I've been trading with $25 risk today. I'm keeping things small while I dial in my entries here. Okay, so If we get a 3-bar uptrend on RSI, I may take an entry. Actually, I'm going to take an entry. So my risk to reward was so that I was able to use the same stop as I did for my first 2 orders, which my stop is, actually no, I moved this stop up. My previous stop is back here. My current stop that I set for this is, I'll zoom in. My current stop, I chose this isolated pivot low. I chose this candle as my low, I believe. Or I might have chosen the other one. I believe it was pretty close. Actually, I can double check. That's my last entry here. 6, 5, something. Okay, all of these are pretty tight. So from 2961, 2966, 2967. So I'm right at about the same price every time. So pretty sure I could have used either one. Okay. Alright, let's have a look at price action. Seems like we're holding this price level. Buyers may be supporting this level, or at least are supporting it to this point. We could sell off here, but it's set up for my criteria for an entry. You can see here, if I zoom out, we're consolidating here quite a bit. It seems like there's buying, and we're quite a bit overbought here, but this could be in preparation for a leg up. This buy signal here for me on RSI, the RSI going below 30 is my entry signal. It seems we have buyer support here at this level where I've been adding to my position, but we'll see if the buyer holds. This is On Tilt Trading. See you next time.